Hello and welcome to another Studemia tutorial. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Linux to explore the file system hierarchy and understand file paths. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your knowledge, this video will guide you step by step through the essentials. Let's get started. Imagine the entire file system as a massive tree with its roots, branches, and leaves. This analogy will help us understand the complex structure of Linux in a simple and intuitive way. Let's start our journey. Every tree has a base, the root, and in Linux, this is aptly called the root directory, denoted by a slash. Just like a tree's root anchors and supports the whole tree, the root directory is the base of the Linux file system. Everything on your system, all files, folders, programs, starts from this point. From the root, we have branches spreading out. These are the directories or folders in Linux. Each branch serves a specific purpose. For instance, /etc holds the configuration files for your system, like the settings and rules. /home is where personal folders for each user are located. And /bin contains essential user command binaries. These are programs that users can run. On these branches, you'll find leaves. Each leaf represents a file and directory. For example, in your /home directory, leaves could be your personal documents, photos, or music files. In /etc, leaves are configuration files that dictate how your system behaves. How do we find a specific file or leaf in this tree? This is where file paths come in. A file path tells you how to reach a specific file from the root. An absolute path starts from the root and includes every branch you pass to get to the file. A relative path, on the other hand, starts from your current location in the tree and leads to the file. Just like a well-structured tree is healthy and functional, a well-organized file system is crucial for the efficiency and stability of your Linux system. Understanding this structure helps you navigate the system, find files you need, and organize your data effectively. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the Linux file system using our tree analogy. We started at the root, explored the branches, and understood the significance of each leaf. This analogy helps demystify the file system structure, making it more approachable and understandable. Let's put our tree analogy into practice and explore the Linux file system. We'll check files, directories, the root, and home directories. Make sure you have access to a Linux terminal. Let's start this exploratory journey. First, we'll explore the root directory, the base of our tree. Open your terminal. Type cd/ and press enter to go to the root directory. Type ls and press enter. This will list the main directories at the root of the file system, such as bin, etc, home, and others. Now, let's check out the system settings branch, /etc. Type cd/etc and press enter to navigate to the /etc directory. Type ls and press enter. You'll see various configuration files and directories. Next, we'll move to the user's personal space, the /home directory. Type cd/home and press enter. Type ls to list user directories within /home. If you have a username, you'll see it here. Let's go into your personal directory. Type cd/tt with your actual username and press enter. Type ls to view your personal files and directories. Now we'll look at the essential system tools in /bin and /bin. Type cd/bin and press enter. Then ls to view essential user binaries. Type cd/spin and press enter, then ls to view system administration binaries. To understand file paths, let's pick a file and find its path. Find a file in your home directory using ls. Type po to display the absolute path to this file. You've now navigated the major parts of the Linux file system. You've seen the root directory, system settings in /etc, user files in /home, and system tools in /bin and /bin. Remember, each part of the file system has its purpose, just like branches and leaves in a tree. Keep exploring and you'll become more comfortable with the Linux environment. Happy exploring!